Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we're going to show you how to find your watch later list on YouTube, a great way to save videos to watch later. It's super easy. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Then, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and you'll see your Watch Later playlist right there. Tap Watch Later to access all the videos you've saved. From here, you can watch or remove any videos. To delete one, tap the three dots next to the video and select Remove from Watch Later. If you want to remove all watched videos at once, tap the three dots at the top and select Remove Watched Videos. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to manage your Watch Later list on YouTube.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.